Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so I have got some more survey spoilers for BoxyCharm to show you guys. So if you're excited about this video, go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing the full reveal of the AIA October-November box. Well, thank you so much, Brittany Stevens. Brittany says, hi, I love watching. Well, Brittany, honey, thank you so much. That makes me feel so good, and I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either search around and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so during that time. You're going to see a little red heart turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's dive into this madness. Now again, you know I love doing these videos because a lot of the survey spoilers that we have found have actually been confirmed to be going in boxes. So it's just so exciting to see what might possibly be going into some future boxes. So I did get these survey spoilers off of Elizabeth Wolf's channel, so I will link her video down below in the comment section. I'll go ahead and pin it. That way you guys could go check out her video if you want a better description of each of the products. Because you know what, I like doing fast spoilers, so I like just putting the product out there and showing y'all what it is and letting y'all build your own opinion of that product. So guys, let's go ahead and get started. Again, these might possibly be coming to future BoxyCharm boxes, and some of these guys I've already got in my last survey spoiler videos, so I will try to point out the new ones that I have not seen yet. So the first ones that we have are different box variations. So guys, let's go ahead and look at them. So this first box variation, it asks, how excited would you be to get this box variation? So in this box variation, we see the Wonder Beauty palette. Now it looks like a face and eye palette, and it also shows a set of the GlamBySuzan lashes, and then it also shows the Tarte Man-Eater mascara, as well as that Viseart eye primer, and then it also shows some of the Rodile eye masks. Alright guys, so the next box variation, this is another variation. It shows the Wonder Beauty palette. It also shows the Ofra Cosmetics Banana Setting Powder. And then it shows an Elemis Superfood Moisturizer. That's pretty neat. It also shows a MAC lipstick, as well as the Makeup Eraser Sponge, which, well, I've never heard of that. So next, let's look at another box variation. Now in this variation, it shows the Artist Couture. This is the Caliente eyeshadow palette. This palette is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Now, Artist Couture is owned by Mac Daddy. If you know who he is the founder and owner of the Artist Couture line. Next, we also see the Brow Bar by Rima. This is the eyebrow kit. I'll correct it up here, exactly what it's called if I can find it. And then it also shows a Sunday Riley. This is the Lactic Acid Serum. Now I think we've got this coming in a box, if I'm correct. Now we also see another MAC lipstick in this, and then the Butter London Cuticle Exfoliator. I've never heard of a cuticle exfoliator, so that's pretty neat. Now let's look at the next box variation. This one shows an Iconic London face palette. It also shows a set of the GlamBySuzan lashes, as well as the Levito Age Away Hydrating Cream. It also shows another MAC lipstick, and then it shows this Eloise Beauty liquid eyeshadow. This looks absolutely gorgeous. Now guys, next is another box variation. This one shows the Wonder Beauty palette in it, as well as that Brow Bar by Rima kit. It also shows the Tarte Man-Eater mascara, as well as another MAC lipstick and the Rodile eye mask. Now next up, guys, these are not like box variations, so we do have some items here that they're asking if you'd be excited to see come in a future box. So again, a lot of these I've shown in my last survey spoiler video, but I will try to point out the new ones. So first up is the Seraphine Botanicals. This is the Shakira. Is it Sakura or I think it's Sakura and Sage Vegan Eye and Blush Palette as well. Now this one, guys, is kind of confusing, but this was in my last video. This shows it's the Illuminati Cosmetics Holy Smokes eyeshadow palette. But if you look close on that cover, it shows a pill on it, and it looks just like the same font and everything that Appeal Cosmetics shows. And I tried to find if I could find exactly which palette this is, and I couldn't. So I'm not sure there. I don't know if that's a misprint or what's going on there. So next we see the, I don't know how to say this, guys, is it Vor Hair Care? This is the Perfecting Prism Color Protecting Pre-Shampoo Treatment. Next is the Clay Depot Beauty. I'm probably butchered the hell out of that, and if I did, I do apologize. This is the Radiant Liquid Rouge, Shine, and Matte Lipstick. Now next, guys, I know these are new items, and I have not seen these, haven't had them in no videos. The first one is the Clarins Refresh Hydrating Beauty Mist, and then next is another Clarins item. This is the Clarins Refresh Mattifying Hydrating Cream. Now next is another new item that I know I haven't seen yet. This is the Erno Lazizzo. Is that how you say that? I probably butchered that too, hell. This is the Multitask Eye Gel Cream. Next is the Seraphine Botanicals. This is the Goji and Galaxy Ethereal Glow Palette. Now these are highlighters. It looks like a color correcting palette if you want me to be honest, but I believe it is highlights. Next is by Seraphine Botanicals as well. This is the Mimosa and Magic Eye and Highlight Palette. Next is another Seraphine Botanicals product. This is the Lip Stain and Velvet Lip and Cheek Cream. Guys, that looks a little wonky to me somehow. Next, now I did show this in my last video, but I couldn't find the brand or anything, so now we see the brand of it. This is the Soleil Hair Tools Heat Brush 2.0 with vinyl arched bristles. That's pretty neat. So next we see the Baddington Beauty. This is the Lash Liner Duo. Next is the Lime Crime Venus XL2 eyeshadow palette. Next is the Moroccan Oil Perfect Defense Heat Protector. And then we also see the Rowan Beauty Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm. Now it does show 3 different shades, so I guess there's going to be shade variations in that. And then last but certainly not least is a very confusing product, like that Illuminati Cosmetics palette that we just went over. Now this one shows a Lashes MD product on the picture, but in the wording it says it is Flirtatious Looks and Lashes, and it is the Duo Lashes Plus Applicator. Guys, I don't know if this is a lash. I know the item in the picture is Lashes MD. So I'm a little confused here. I tried to Google all this stuff. I can't find it. So I don't know if this is a Lashes MD product they're trying to sell here and it's a misprint of what they wrote or exactly what's going on. But guys, I wanted to show you everything that I found so far. So guys, let me know what you think about all these items down in the comments section. Let me know what you would like to see come in future BoxyCharm boxes. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Soul Nikki. Nikki says thank you. Well, Soul Nikki, honey, you are more than welcome. I really do love doing these videos, and not to mention I'm nosy, and I can't wait on spoilers myself. And Nikki, I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, honey. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. Guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I ain't got any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Dang YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.